When someone loses a tooth, a lot of things happen. The bone that was around where that tooth was tends to atrophy and shrink. The surrounding teeth tend to tip and gums recede. So we see a collapsing of the bite. It's almost like a domino effect that happens when you lose a tooth. People wonder, well, why should I get it replaced? Well, if you're looking for the best solution, something that's as close to Mother Nature as we can do, an implant's that. It's the best, longest lasting, best investment you can do for your tooth. It's hands down the best solution here. And I love it. And that's why I've dedicated my practice to implants. So when we replace a tooth, it keeps that domino effect from happening. It keeps you from losing other teeth. It maintains the bone. It shares in the chewing force, because when you lose a tooth, now the other teeth have to chew and take up more of the space and the time and effort that it takes to chew. And other teeth tend to break down and chip more and break. And so it's a cascading effect. And an implant is like a stop in that. It stops it, it rebuilds back, and it prevents those things from happening. So if you're looking for the best solution, the closest to Mother Nature, this is definitely the way to go, dental implants. Now, when it comes to the cost of treatment, I tell people it's an investment. It's not just the cost of the treatment. You're actually investing in the long-term health, your future meals, trying to stop future dental issues happening. So what I see is the cost of not doing treatment is usually higher, or the cost of alternative treatments ends up being higher, because what ends up happening is a lot of dental work needs to be changed every so often in your lifetime. They break down, they wear down, where implants have the potential to last the rest of your life. If you treat them right and take care of them, they don't get cavities, they don't get root canals, things of that nature. So the investment in implant is a great long-term investment, because you probably won't have to treat it again if you take care of it. Alternatives are going to be bridges, partials, dentures, but an implant is a far greater option, especially long-term cost. The quality of life of an implant is way better than with a denture or partial. We're in a time where people don't want removable teeth. They don't want to have to take their teeth out. They don't want to have to worry about a grandkid reaching up and snatching your denture out of your mouth, right? Or a bridge that could break, one of the adjacent teeth breaks, and then you have to have it replaced. We tend to steer away from those treatments if possible for the patient, because there's so many better options out there with implants. Implants is really our solution to all the downfalls of that traditional dentistry. To learn more about the health benefits, the cosmetic benefits of implants, reach out to us, call the office, visit the website, and we'll do complimentary consultation where we come down, assess your needs to help you find out if implants are right for you.